Today we're going to make a Lego mini gun. Let's see how it works. When I spin it, this gun could shoot a stud. These are the pieces you're going to use. First, you're going to take this 2x2 whole piece and put it like this. Then you're going to take a 3x1 piece with a hole on it and put it in the 2x2 whole piece, and it should look like this. Then we're going to make the spinning thing that shoots the darts. So first you're going to take a 2x2 circular piece with a cross in the middle. Then you're going to take a 2x2 smooth piece and put it like this. It should look like this when it's done. Then you're going to put on the cross side and put it like this. And this is how it looks like when it's done. Then you're going to make the mechanism so the bullet could shoot. So you're going to take this 2x4 plate and put it on top of this red 2x2 whole piece, and it should look like this. Then you're going to make it look cool. So I'm going to put this 2x1 piece with 2 more holes on top and put this black 2x1 piece so it looks almost like a gun. Then I'm going to take this 2x2 slanting piece and put it like this. And then I'm going to take this 2x2 middle hole piece and put it like this. Then another one. And then you're going to put a handle we hold. So we're going to take this 2x2 piece with a cross in it and put it like this. Then we're going to take this 2x2 smooth piece and put it like this. Then you're going to make a bullet. So we're going to take this piece like this and put it like this on the hole, the gray hole. So there, you got your gun that actually works.
Hi, I'm Kevin. Today I'm going to show how to make a Lego stud launcher. It has a different design than my brother made it. Let's start. First, we take this axle with one stud on it. Then we poke it through this 2x2 piece. Then we will take this 2x2 piece that has 4 studs on it, then a hole on the back. Then we poke it on here. Then we made little bit of our stud launcher. Then we take this
2x4 piece
and put it on this 2x2 piece. Then we will take this 2 stud piece on the front and put it on the 2x4 piece.
No, 2x4 piece, I think.
Then we will take this pink piece that's smooth. I'll show you that. This piece that has like this, and then we will put it on this part over here, and then we will place the pink piece on, and we will take this 2x2 piece and put it next to the pink piece. Then we will take this black dart that we are using for this stud launcher. Just one Lego piece. You could take it as this piece or this piece. Then we we want it to be. Then let's wind it up, and
but you forgot one piece, Kenu.
Then we will take this blue piece and put it on. 2x2, two flat piece. Then,
and now we're going to launch it.
First, we put this black piece. That's the dot. Then
we're going to turn the circle and shoot it.
We will turn it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Thanks for watching.